Drive a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offer using this platform right here called Latium.org. That's why in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually do this right here. I'm going to walk you through this in a step-by-step video right now, so make sure you do watch this video right here to the end and make sure you don't miss out on any important step or trick. And guys, if you are new to my channel, I basically post videos on CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how you can actually make money online with the help of some AI tools. So make sure you do sign up, make sure you do go on to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell are turned on all. So thank you all for watching. Let's just simply dive right ahead into today's video. So the first things first, you want to get a CPA marketing offer in mind to promote. I'm going to be using the CPA Grip platform right now. If you do head on to cpagrip.com, if you don't have an account, go on to clicking on register. You'll be brought to this page right here. Fill out this form which are actually being shown, and you could just simply read through the terms of services, agree to the terms of services by checking out these boxes right here. Once you do check out all these boxes, you can then apply for your account to be registered. And guys, your account can be registered almost immediately, and once that is done, you just want to just simply go on to logging into your account. So guys, you can see right here that this is how the dashboard will actually look like. And in this dashboard guys, you can actually see the respective amount individuals are earning with the amount of leads you're actually using to earn such money. You can see right here that statistically this person has actually gotten 18.84% change of getting 3 leads in the next 16 minutes. You can actually see more details right there. Sometimes you'll be able to see the amount which some individuals are actually earning and the amount of leads you're actually using to earn that amount. You can see right here this person earned $3,900 with 74,000 views or 78,000 views, 37,000 clicks, and 3,000 leads. And guys, this is quite amazing right here. This is what this person has earned on this platform entirely. So to get CPA marketing offer which you can promote and start earning some money right now, click on offer tools, click on my offers, and you'll be shown offers which you can start promoting. But right now guys, I'm just going to go on to selecting offers to any demographic of my choice. But guys, it is necessary that you do understand the particular platform, you do understand the type of traffic that this platform actually do get, because that is going to determine the type of offer or the country which you do select offers from. So if I do analyze this platform using the similar web right now, you can actually see right here that these are the statistics of this platform called the Latium.org. You can see right here this platform gets a monthly visit of 140,000 visits right here, and if you do keep on scrolling through, you can see that most of its traffic come from Pakistan, Indonesia, India, Nigeria, and the United States. But guys, you can see Pakistan actually has the highest amount of traffic on this particular website. That's why you want to just simply go on to selecting offers from that particular demographic, which is Pakistan right here. So if I do select Pakistan right now, as you can see, all these offers are actually available to that demographic right here. Supposing I want to just simply go on to maybe selecting one of this offer right now. If I just select this offer, as you can see right here are more details to the offer, but since I don't speak this language, I'm just going to come right here and actually do highlight this text. If I do highlight this text right now, I'm going to go on to Google, and once you do go on to Google, just simply search for Google Translator. So if I do go search for the Google Translator right here, I'll be brought to this page, paste that particular text right here, and you can see the details about this particular offer, which says you can get LED TV. And if I do go back to CPA Grip and copy this section right here, I can actually do go on to seeing more details about this offer right here. So I'm just going to copy this right now, head back to this section, paste in that right here, and you can see right here it says enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. So basically guys, that's what this offer is all about. All you actually have to do right now is to copy the link to this offer, and you want to head on to this platform called Latium.org to promote such offer. And the cool thing about this platform is that this is a platform that actually do connect a lot of freelancers and a lot of people that are actually willing to hire freelancers right here. As you can see, you can hire individuals. You can also go on to working on this platform. So right now guys, I'm just going to go on to logging into my account. You could sign up for absolutely free. Once you are logged in, you should be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. So right now guys, as you can see, you are being brought to a dashboard that looks similar to this. And if you do keep on scrolling through guys, you could see a lot of featured services right here which you could go on to doing. You can see right now this person says I will build an AI powered app with ChatGPT API. And guys, this person is actually charging $70 for this right now. You can see that these are actually freelancing platform. People are actually offering some gigs right here on this platform, and you could actually do checkouts or gigs. But guys, if you do go on to checking for jobs for bid, you can actually go on to bidding for some jobs right there which are actually available. You can see right there, this person is looking for an e-commerce customer support chatbot, and guys, it's actually going to pay between 100 to about $500 for this. And guys, you could go on to bidding for this job, applying for this job, and guys, you have a chance of getting hired for those jobs. You could also go on to checking on the free on the instant hire section, and in this instant hire section, guys, these are actually jobs you can actually go on to doing yourself. As you could see, you could register for this platform and earn fiat money fast and instant, and you can see the reward to this is worth of $10 in Bitcoin. You can see right here, this one is to just simply download a free app right here for USA residents, and guys, the reward right here for this is about 10 cents in US dollars. You can actually keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see a lot of tags right here. So basically guys, you want to just simply go on to listing your tags among these right here. And how do you list your tags among one of these right now, or among one of these instant hire jobs? You want to just simply come to the workflow section, and if you do click on workflow, you want to just simply go on to clicking on the employer workflow right now, and you want to just simply go on to clicking on post a project. And if you do click on post a project, guys, click on the instant hire right here. You want to just simply put in your job title, your job description, the category of your job right there. You can see right here, you can select the survey, you could put in tags right here which you want to just simply use. You can add in cover image, you could add instructions, videos, and a lot more other stuff right there. And guys, you just want to follow the necessary procedures. Maybe if I just want to do this right now, I'm just going to copy the title from CPA grip right here. If I copy this title, I'm just going to head back to Latium and just simply put that right here. And just simply, or I could just simply go on to type in something different. Maybe I could just simply use the Google Translator and actually change this from that particular language. So I'm just going to translate from English to this language right here, and I'm just going to put in something like complete a simple survey, and you can see the translation right here. I could copy this right now. So if I do copy this text, I'm going to head back to Latium right here and actually do go on to paste in that right here in this section. For the description, you could write in something right there. Select category right here, make sure this is on survey. You could add in images like I showed you earlier, and once you're actually done with this section, guys, you can see this section which says instruction. Give links or specific instruction for your freelancers to follow. Click on that right now, and you just want to put in the particular link which you want your freelancers to actually click, and give them the specific instruction right there, telling them to just simply complete a simple survey. And guys, you just want to make sure that for each person that do complete that particular task, you're going to be splitting the income which you do get right here. As you can see, guys, you are going to be earning 55 cents for every single person that actually do successfully complete this offer. So instead, guys, you want to just simply go on to maybe giving them maybe 10 cents right there, and you get to keep about 45 cents for yourself right now. And if you do that on this platform, guys, you just want to be paying them 10 cents right there for every single person that complete that particular offer. And you want to just simply narrow that down to the telling them that it's just for Pakistan individuals only. And if you do that, guys, you're going to just simply go on to promoting your offer. If you follow the necessary procedure, you promote your offer for absolutely free on this platform, and you do make some cool cash doing so. So because guys, you just want to make sure you do maybe pay in some money right there. And if you do fund your account right now, guys, you'll be making some cool profit right there by getting about $45 for every successful lead which you do get to this particular offer. So this is an amazing strategy which you want to take advantage of right now. And guys, I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, simply smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. And guys, don't forget to always ensure that you are promoting an offer right here to the country that actually visit this website the most. As you could see, like I showed you earlier, this website actually do get about 140,000 visits monthly, and you can actually see that out of that 140,000 visits, 24% are actually from Pakistan. That's why we're actually promoting a Pakistani offer right now. And guys, that is actually going to increase your chances of getting conversions for your CPA marketing offer. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you do have a question right there, just simply drop that in the comment section below, and see you in my next video, guys. Goodbye.